The investigation into the Offa bank robbery and the gruesome killings of more than 33 persons in Offa Kwara State on the 5th of April 2018. The investigation, as directed by the Inspector General of Police IGP Ibrahim Putu Idris MNI, has made significant progress. Successes and more revelations have been recorded. The gang leaders and some of the principal suspects arrested for their active participation in the robbery and the killings of 33 innocent persons have made conventional statements admitting to the various criminal roles they play and that of their sponsor in the dastard and the heinous crime. The 5 gang leaders, namely Ayuade Akinibosun, Ibikunle Ogunleye, Adeola Abraham, Salaudeen Assis, Niyi Ogundiran, and some of the other 17 suspects arrested for direct involvement and active participation in the Offa bank robbery and the gruesome killing of 33 innocent persons, which includes some pregnant women and 9 police personnel, admitted, confessed, and volunteer statements that they were political talks of the Senate President, Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senator Bukola Saraki, and the Executive Governor of Kwara State, Alhaji Abdulfatai Ahmed.
The connections between me and the Senate President is he is the one that is arranging everything for us. For example, this car was given to me by His Excellency through the Chief of Staff as a gift from the...
Who is His Excellency?
Governor Fatai Ahmed. Through the Chief of Staff of Kwara State, as a gift from the leader, Bukola Saraki.
Do you participated in the Offa robbery?
I participated in the Offa robbery. I took this Lexus car along to the Offa. The Senate President and Governor of Kwara State, we have been their political talk, so that was encouraged us to do what we are doing.
So immediately Femi called PA Political that this car give to Ayo, so we want to drop it at government house. So he says go and drop it inside the government house.
Yeah, with which plate number?
Then put Saraki's sticker there by there.
Who are the devs?
Who are the devs that put Saraki? Ayo is the owner of the car. He put Saraki's sticker front of the car.
We have so many political talks in Kwara Central in Ilorin. People like Alhaji Alao, people like Alhaji Dawando, people like Alhaji Dano, we used to call him Alhaji White, and so on. They know themselves. As I'm speaking, if they can hear me, they know what I'm talking about. They also are dangerous. They are fully armed.
Who armed them?
They are armed by the Senate President, Bukola Saraki.
The Senate President, Senator Bukola Saraki, is being invited to report to the police to answer allegations indicting him from convention of 5 gang leaders arrested for active participation in Offa bank robbery and the killings of 33 innocent people in Offa that day. Alabi Olalekan, who is 49 years old. Alabi Olalekan is the personal assistant political to the Executive Governor of Kwara State, Alhaji Abdulfatai Ahmed, while Yusuf Abdul Wahab, 58 years old, is the Chief of Staff to the Executive Governor of Kwara State, Alhaji Abdulfatai Ahmed. Also recovered as an exhibit is one sticker, plate number with inscription Saraki, was equally recovered in the course of investigation. And this is the way the car was taken for the robbery operation in Offa by the gang leader. Subsequently recovered from the premises of the Ministry of Environment and Forestry in Ilorin, Kwara State, while the sticker plate number with inscription Saraki, State of Harmony, removed from the vehicle was recovered from one Adeola Omiyale, who drove the said Lexus Jeep to Government House Ilorin immediately after the bank robbery. The personal assistant, political, to the Executive Governor of Kwara State, Mr. Alabi Olalekan, who is privy to information that the police is looking for the Lexus Jeep as an exhibit used in the Offa Bank robbery and the killings of the 33 innocent persons, directed one Adeola Omiyale, like we said earlier on, to relocate the Lexus Jeep to Government House Ilorin. The personal assistant to Politica is currently in police custody, and he has made useful statement assisting the police in further investigation into the case. A revolver, pistol and pump action guns were recovered by the police investigation team from the personal assistant to the governor of to the Executive Governor of Kwara State, Mr. Alabi Olalekan's farm, where he directed his brother to hide them after his arrest by the police. In order to conceal evidence, the Chief of Staff to the Executive Governor of Kwara State, Mr. Yusuf Abdul Wahab, who has been arrested and taken to police custody as we speak, the two of them, the PA and the Chief of Staff, are in police custody, arranged the removal of the sticker plate number with inscription Saraki. Is the one that arranged it. Ayuade Akinibosun admitted, confessed, and made volunteer statement that he coordinated all the killings, while Ibikunle Ogunleye, May 36 years gang leader, admitted to the police that he killed 2 people during the bank robbery, while Michael Adiku, the ex-convict, who is a sectional leader, admitted to the police team that he killed 22 people during the operation. Investigation is ongoing and effort is being intensified to arrest other suspects still at large. All suspects involved will be arraigned in court on completion of investigation.